So then if you're saying that you like to try to keep them in for 18 months, as it gets closer to that time, what are you looking for to say it's ready?
After 6 months, as I mentioned earlier, we leave it on the lees for that long. We will then blend all of these into the tank.
Okay?
Then we will put them back into the barrels
In the
again,
barrels. Okay?
disposing of the lees.
Right.
And then we'll let it age from that point on. What am I looking for? I am just looking for the perfect balance. That's why we put them all together. I have about 5 different Coopers that I'm using in this blend. I already put the blend together by the barrels that I've used, knowing what kind of flavor profile I'm going to have at the end.
I've seen people use Burgundian style barrels for Chardonnay. I've noticed that these are not. Is there a difference in using them?
Burgundy, very good question.
Well, you said you were the barrel expert. I thought.
Well, yeah, well, this up here is a Burgundian barrel.
Okay.
A Burgundian barrel is actually shorter. What you're getting is less oak contact for the volume of wine in the barrel.
Okay.
This is a Bordeaux barrel, which is generally used for a red, but you're getting more oak contact per surface area of a wine.
Okay. It's just a
one half dozen to the other.
stylistic difference.
Not really.
Not much.
No, I'm not finding that it's enough. Burgundy barrels are a little stubbier and fatter, and these barrel racks that we use really like the Bordeaux barrels versus the Burgundy barrels.
Well, very good. Well, I look forward to coming back and tasting this with you when it comes out.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thanks.
Salute.